Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to adjust a game and chat mix on Turtle Beach. First is open the control panel, which is the sound panel, and then go on to the sounds and playback. Now from here, you need to set as default device the SYN Max Air and your headset as the default communications device. Then after that, go on to the scenes page and then you can choose onto the channel mix and balance the volume of your calls audio against your games. Now, onto the additional settings category, you will find the word chat boost. And there are three types of things that you can use and modify when it comes on to your chat boost. You can just simply read all of this statement in order for you to modify them. Then after that, go on to the input settings and then activate the game chat mix. And now you need to go on to the input settings category, which is activated, and then choose the game chat mix. And now you can use the wheel onto the right speaker whenever you feel the game's audio is too dominating and you need to hear your teammates better, or when you want to focus more on what's happening into the game and reduce your call's volume. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.